Jamaican shore fishing. Nice jack, guys. That is it. See big jack, them I run around there. Happy Sunday, bro.
Respect.
Enjoy your dinner.
Yeah, man, respect.
Pick up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. You know, I got out the house this morning. I was getting ready to go down a little bit further. I was gonna go down to the spot where I caught the barra on this video I posted 3 days ago. And I was like, nah, I'm not in the mood for there. And I don't know. My mind just changed. And I came down to Pier 1. And I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna walk the rocks here. I'm not even gonna go any further. But I haven't caught any fish down here in a while. Except for the other night on the live where I caught the snapper, and that was bait fishing. Now, lure fishing, I haven't caught anything down here in a long time. And it's been a while. So my vibes told me to come here this morning. I don't know why. But let's see what's up. Alright guys, stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing out here.
That's where we was at the other night. I was actually sitting on this rock. Rods was posted up right here. And the snapper grabbed it. I'm actually gonna cast a few casts off this rock where the hive is. I see some long jaws. You see them, guys? 1, 2. I know they're gonna go after this. They're gonna see it. I'm gonna change this leader in a bit. I'm gonna build a new one and see what I can pick up. Let's see what's up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing way. That is it. Let's see if we can get somebody's attention on this lure this morning. I don't know, guys. Lures some are really good. Yeah, wind in the back, so that's good. Even though I rather treble hooks when I'm fishing, still, even though I've caught, I think I've hit a barrel on this lure already. Gives you a good cast. Get it out there. That's what's up, guys. Run across there a few times. Let's see if we're gonna get a hit of something. Something's gonna spot that sexy lure and just chase it and grab it. Like, oh, there goes the bait fish. Blow! And hit it. Well, fish love shade. So that little section that drops off right there would be nice. But we're gonna go this way and work back behind that building on that drop off. Alright guys, let's go get it. Jamaican shore fishing. Not swimming good, hitched up lure. Alright, there you go. Now it's swimming. So you guys see how that lure comes in. Comes in like jitterish. Alright, we're gonna get off this rock and make sure we're safe. The car's locked up. Okay. Let's get down. That's it, guys. Yeah, normally I got my jogging tights on for the sun on the legs. Not only that, when you get wade fishing, you don't have sea creatures touching your legs and stuff like that. I see something on that rock that looks kind of odd. Looks like an octopus. I don't know. What is that? It's moving. It looks like an octopus, guys. And I got the squid jig in the car. Damn it. Let me go get it. Let me go get it. The squid jig is right in the door. I have some in the bag, but I have another one that's already out. Got it. Squid jig. Off of that rock right there, guys. Thought it was. Guess it's not. Let me slip over here and switch this off real quick. See if I can get any of these guys' attention, guys. Yeah, that squid jig sinks pretty good. Get it back out there again. Might get lucky, guys, because I've seen them out this side before. I've never caught one on this side. I've seen them on that rock over that side. Nothing. Hey guys, so I'm gonna move down, guys. Move down further down on them rocks right there and see if I can pick something up. Who knows? I might get a couple. A whole bunch of long jaws. You'd be surprised, guys. All kinds of fish coming at it, guys. But no squid. I'm surprised. Oh, there you go. That's what I was looking for. Hey guys, I'm gonna have to change this lure back off. Head back to my normality, guys. Back to my treble hooks and all kind of good stuff. Drop this jig back in there and get these hooks freed up. I gotta change this lure off anyways. Hunting for a barra down here that day. Yeah, long jaw chasing it, guys. Yeah. I'm not trying to do all of this exercise today. We're gonna stay on one level. And just roll across to aerial view, flat section, guys, like this. I'm not spooking the fish. Hopefully barrel spotted coming across, or a snapper, or even a jack, tarpon. Jerry, let's get them, boys. I have a long jaw chasing it, but nothing yet, guys. Alright, I'm not feeling this. Got a whole bunch of lines sitting here. Nice size long jaw. Yeah, just tighten up my drag. My drag is a little bit loose. We're gonna move down. We're gonna move down, Jerry. Nasty, yucky, nasty people, boy. Gotta watch your step in these rocks. Gotta watch out for human shit. Not animal shit, but human shit. That's crazy, right? Yeah, lure's swimming pretty good, guys. I have long jaws chasing, but nothing really committing. That type of fish is not here. That dude taking a bath outside. Oh boy. Doing my ninja steps on these rocks. I gotta be careful. I don't want to hurt myself. Not wearing heavy duty boots here, guys. I'm in a pair of water shoes. So I gotta do light steps when I step. I'm trying to get up to the top of this rock. Oh shit, almost lost balance because of that wind. Got it. Alright, good. Let's see if we can pick up a barrow someplace off here. Right there. Oh, hit that plastic bottle. Nothing lurking in the rocks. Nothing. Alright, we'll give one more cast here, guys. Hey guys, we're gonna move from this spot. Stay tuned. I have to climb down and go across here first. Alright, Roger and cool on. Any casting out past here, guys, because there's a whole bunch of rocks there. I'm probably gonna get hitched up on. I really don't want to do that. I want to go in that water for sure. Not saying there's anything wrong with here, but just that all this rocks that was piled up here at one point just washed off there. So. Whole bunch of metals and sharp objects are there, so you really don't want to go walking in there. Got some young men fishing over here, guys. That was a walk. Sure fishing. Didn't get any pickup on that side, guys. Maybe give that point a shot. Give this point. Two casts and nothing, guys. Just up on this top piece a while ago. Continue down a little bit further on the flat rocks. Get another cast out. We got music playing in the background, guys. Don't worry. I'll keep talking. I won't phase it at all. So you could barely hear it over my voice anyways. So. Nothing, guys. Long jaws. That's all I'm seeing. Oh shit. I'm just leak pipe. See that? Fish on. Got him. Haha. Nice jack. Saw you. Come on, baby. Fish on. Jamaican shore fishing. Nice jack, guys. That is it. See big jack them a run round there. Got him, guys. Come with this, my G. Happy Sunday. I feel this. Come with this, man. This is what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. This is how we do it. Alright? Come on. That is it, guys. Get this jackfish secured. Aha. Another one, Jamaican shore fishing. Let me get him. He got hit pretty good too, guys. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Happy Sunday, bro.
Respect.
Enjoy your dinner.
Yeah, man, respect.
Yeah. That's how we do it, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. That is it. Knew they was around. Yeah, once they seen it, it was a wrap. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Shore Fishing on YouTube. Here, sir. I'm just catch one nice little jack look nice size jack look and give power still. You know? And get a nice Sunday dinner, you know? Yeah. So I mean I do it all the time. I mean I catch a lot of fish, bro. I catch so much fish. Sometimes my freezer is full to the point I have to give it away because I do it as fun, but I also catch for food too. You know? Yeah. Yeah, they're here. They're all around here. That's why the jacks are around. So. Hi, Jamaican shore fishing. I think I'm gonna move down line. I think I completed my task today in catching a fish today, guys. I think we was fishing from the rocks today and caught a jackfish. So, mission accomplished. I'm gonna head back home and finish up some tasks that I need to get done. Try to get my car washed today because I was trying to get that done from yesterday and I wasn't able to do that. So, hopefully I can take it down to Great River today, guys, and get that sorted out. So, stay tuned, guys. So, did it again, guys. So, stay tuned for this epic video. Alright, guys, pick up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. One love.